Hi everyone, my name is Quinn Peters from Entrepreneur Marketing TT, and the company we are going to feature today is Nirvan'S Air Conditioning Services. With servicing starting at only $200, they offer neat and professional installation, which includes vacuuming and plastering of walls. If you are looking for a way to cool your home efficiently, whether it be one room at a time or the whole house, you must consider Nirvan'S Air Conditioning Services. All of their HVAC specialists work hard to provide the highest quality customer service. You see, they understand how important it is for you to trust their staff, especially when they are working at your home.